So today we have exciting two news. One is Meta removes controversial Instagram AI feature, and another one is Apple sues OpenAI over alleged trade secret theft. So first come to Meta. So Meta has removed a highly launched AI feature on Instagram after facing strong backlash from users and privacy advocates. The feature raised concerns over user consent, privacy, and the potential misuse of public photos for AI-generated content. Widespread criticism. Meta pulled the feature and said it would rethink its approach before introducing similar AI tools in the future. Come to Apple. Apple has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI and the two former Apple employees, alleging misappropriated confidential trade secrets related to hardware development, claims the information could have benefited their ambitions, denied the allegations. It develops its technology independently. It's now expected to move through the legal process. So much for your time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button